Hey y'all, we are coming at you today from Stevensville, Montana. We're here at the Bitterroot Bed and Breakfast. Our friends Kevin and Heather Thursday own this, and it's been a great experience. It's literally in the valley. The Bitterroot River runs through the property. There's mountains all around. Unfortunately, today or yesterday when we flew in, and today there's still a lot of smoke because there's California wildfires and some in Idaho as well. So we're getting a lot of the ash. So our view is not what it could be, but we'll post some pictures from previous trips to let you see what it looks like. But we're really excited for today. What are we doing?
Today we're going to be heading up to the Bison Range, so we're going to see some big beautiful bison hopefully, and maybe some other animals and wildlife, and we'll see what scenery we can see. Isn't Stevensville the oldest city in Montana? Yeah,
Stevensville is the oldest city in all of Montana. So anytime we'll go downtown and maybe show you some pictures. Last night, maybe we'll insert some video here. We went to a brewery. Oh my gosh, it was so good. They have awesome, incredible, fresh foods. They have all kind of like local IPAs and beers and things that they make there. So if that's up your alley, you definitely want to check it out. It's an awesome time. But today we also may go to the hot springs in Idaho.
That'd be fun.
So we're gonna see the road to the sun. I think may be closed due to snow, but we're gonna see what all we can get into. We have 4 days left here, so we will take you along for the journey.
I think for now we're headed to go eat some free gourmet breakfast that's included with our stay, so that's awesome.
Yeah, and also we're on this trip with my sister and my brother-in-law, Jason, so I'm sure you'll see them some in the vlog. So this morning, we just got this lovely breakfast that Heather, the owner, makes for us. We have fruit, and then what was this, ham and cheddar and all
cheddar bacon.
Yummy, like a quiche. And then that is
Daily sausage.
Daily sausage made in Montana. And then this is, they're known for their huckleberries. It's a huckleberry muffin. So yum. What you think?
Yeah, I think it's delicious.
Oh, yeah.
I've had just the grapes so far. But the grapes So that was really awesome. They have this super nostalgic DVD rental place here in the supermarket. You never see this anywhere, so this is really cool. If you got a DVD player at the hotel or at the bed and breakfast, come grab a DVD. So we ended up at the Superfoods and we picked up some lunch to go since there's nowhere to stop to eat.
And your salad.
We just loaded up on
buffalo
sandwich. Yeah, let's take down a buffalo. Loaded up on some sandwiches and salads. The smoke is kind of clearing up. You can see the mountain there in the background. That's the best we've been able to see the mountains so far. And this kind of looks like fog, so maybe we'll be able to see some mountains today. Hey y'all, so we are here at the National Bison Range. Behind me, look at this huge antler tree. I mean, it's just loaded down with antlers. It is very, very, very smoky still outside, but we're super excited. You know, things happen like California wildfires, and so that's where the smoke is. But behind me, other Shane, you can see the sign where we are. We are here, and it is really, really cool. Apparently it's going to be about maybe an hour and a half that we'll be in the vehicle looking for bison and elk and moose and lions and tigers and bears. Oh my. Anyway, all those things. So anyway, we'll take you along for the journey, and we're excited. I'm recording, but it's crazy. No, you're good. I was just saying how close we are to them. So close. So close. Aw. He's like right there. We are here at St. Ignatius Church. This is the oldest mission in all of Montana, I believe. That log cabin right there was built in 1854. It was the first home of the missionaries that came here. We would go inside of this beautiful, beautiful church, but it's currently closed. Certainly pretty though. It's so pretty. We just got finished with our the Bison Range, and we saw lots and lots of animals there. And then we went to the St. Ignatius Mission, where we saw their chapel, their church. We couldn't go in because they were doing work on it, but we did get to look around. And then we went to the Huckleberry Jam factory, and they had all kind of little gifts and stuff. And then we got a Huckleberry milkshake to share, and it's very delicious. Downtown Stevensville, really close to the bed and breakfast where we are staying. We have lots of little restaurants and shops. We've been out at the Bison Range all day, so now we're headed into a little local pharmacy to see if we can pick up some gifts for our kiddos. It's really, really adorable. Another stop you can make in Stevensville. This is the oldest city in Montana. You can go to the Historical Museum.